Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're gonna make a mini corn porridge. Please stick around and watch this video. In a pot we're gonna add about 5 cups of water. Now we're gonna add to the pot 1.5 cups of hominy corn. This is soaked overnight. Gonna turn the heat on medium high. Teaspoon of salt, cinnamon stick and cinnamon leaf. You can use one if you don't got both. Gonna cover this and allow it to boil until soften. You want the corn to be soft. So after about an hour, the corns are nice and tender. They're nice and soft. This is how you want them, nice and soft. Now I'm gonna add half of can of coconut milk. I'm gonna use half of the can. Cover for the next 5 minutes. To my cup I add 1.5 cup of water and I'm gonna add half cup of plain flour. And we're just gonna combine this. This is like a thickening agent for the porridge because you need something to get the porridge thick. So you want it to be smooth like this. See? And this is the consistency. Not too thick and not, it's a little runny, but you don't want it to be thick like paste. You don't want it to be paste like, see? Just follow the ratio that I give you guys. So after about 5 minutes, adding the coconut milk, we're gonna add the flour mixture or the slurry. And you wanna mix quickly as you pour, because it's gonna start to get thickened as you pour. So mix fast. And at this time, you can go ahead and take out all the cinnamon leaf. So it all depends on how thick you like your porridge. I like mine thick, so I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna add some more to it. And as I said, when you pour in the flour and the water, mix gradually. See, it's starting to get even thicker. So now I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, half teaspoon of this, oh, come on, a tablespoon of cinnamon powder, you want to ensure that you spice up this bad boy. Going to add a teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. Smelling so good, man. Smell good, Maya?
Yeah, it smells good and it's better. It smells good, but it's hot.
Can't wait for it to go in my tummy.
Hey, I want it to go in my tummy first, because I'm gonna do the taste test when you're done, Mommy.
So now we're gonna add our sweetener. I'm gonna use condensed milk and a little brown sugar. So you're gonna sweeten to your taste.
So yummy. Wait, Mommy.
Now we're gonna turn the heat off. You wanna turn the stove off?
That's on the here. Yo.
This is smelling so nice. The coconut milk and the nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla.
This is so good.
Yeah. Smelling amazing. Brown sugar.
Mommy.
Look at this, man. Look at this. I tell you, look at it. Smelling so good.
Moist.
And the flavor is popping. The flavor, I tell you. We're gonna share this, or we're gonna pour this into a nice bowl, and we're gonna do the taste test. I had to make a mess, right?
Yeah.
If I didn't make a mess, I would have named Kelly.
Mommy.
Damn. How is it? Just talk out your mouth. How is it?
It's good. I'll give it a heart and a 10.
Wow, it's good, right? Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.